Got you a new pair of shoes. Yeah, peeps. So back again. Been a while, but yeah. So just like I said at the beginning of the video, about to give my PS5 Pro a fresh new pair of shoes. Well, really a fresh outfit, because this actually is fresh off the boat. New shells, well, new shelling for the PS5 Pro, or PS5 Pro plates. I was getting tired of waiting on Sony. There hasn't been any official plates released for it yet. Right now, I think they just recently announced that Ghost of Your Thai set for the PS5 Pro. That's the only official set out at this point in time. However, I like my shit to be custom, so I had to check my friends in the East. Let's see what AliExpress has here in store. So let's see what is in this thing. This is a live unboxing, peeps. I have no idea what is in this package. I'm trying not to show my name on the other side, so all right. Camera might be a bit close, but what's important is what is in the box. Now, I have no idea the quality of this thing, so I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Much smaller package than we're used to. Alright, a no frills packaging here, so let's see what we have here first. Alright, so surprise, surprise, peeps. I went with the transparent set. Now, this is actually the disc part. You can see my face through this, so it is fully transparent. I'm a bit nervous, but first impressions, peeps, this thing feels very high quality, surprisingly so. I thought it would have been some cheap 3D printed thing. Now, something of note, this is actually the digital version. So yeah, no need for the disk drive yet. I plan to get one sometime in the near future. I don't really do disc games, but they do save a bit of money and I can do that right about now. So yeah, loving the quality so far. It's actually pretty thick. Like, have a look at that. The thickness, yeah, it's actually pretty thick. Appreciate that. Good work. So that aside, let's see what else is in here. This is pretty much everything you get. That's the disc side and other 4 portions. Let's get these on. I am excited to see how it looks on the beast over here. Unfortunately, no disc drive, but let's just pop her on and see how this looks. This is it. This is her. Now look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can see the fan, you can see the screws. No disk drive yet. But it still looks good. It still looks pretty flipping good. The connection for the disk drive is actually right there in the bottom corner, right there in green. And it adds a nice tech industrial kind of look to it. I love seeing the SSD panel there, the fan, the battery door there for the CMOS battery, the connection for the disk drive. Yeah, it's pretty cool. However, you know, this is gonna invite dust into this portion here, the slot right there. Yeah, it's not fun. Maybe I should have gotten the digital thing. I was gonna buy the disc, but the disc drive, but I backed out last second. Like, yo, that's $100 I could save right now. I don't really have any disc games at the moment, but these are pretty fire look, and I don't know why Sony actually didn't do this. Like, look at that. The disc drive would have definitely pulled this look together for damn sure, but this looks cool. So this slot here is the only real caveat here. Dust is gonna get in there, whatever. But it doesn't look bad with the white, so I might just screw it for now, do a two-tone kind of thing. But for now, I'm loving this transparent look. Sony, get more creative with their panels. I mean, the Ghost of your tire, whatever one does look sort of cool, but I love transparent stuff. I actually have my custom transparent DualSense edge here, transparent purple. Look how beautiful this thing is, right? I couldn't find the same color for this to color match it, but this looks pretty cool. I built this. There's a video on my channel here showing how I actually did this from beginning to end. You can check that out. I'll leave a link to that. And yeah, Sony needs to get more creative with their stuff. But that's it, peeps. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. As I said, it's from AliExpress. It's not sponsored. I just, hey, I like my stuff to look custom and uniquely me. And this is me. I'm a nerd. So yeah, peeps, thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the description what you think about this look. Of course, forgive me for the disk drive part. Yes, that's a dust entry point. I know. Let me know in the comments. All right, peeps, good old Jamaican ingenuity. Yeah, man. So yeah, so I solved a little issue with the whole dust, getting in through the disk drive hole. For now, until I get the disk drive, simply use some of the packaging styrofoam with those scissors, cut to fit, and it fits. Now from afar, it looks perfectly fine. Up close, you'll see the roughness around the edges, but definitely works. And yeah, didn't want to disrupt the look. But yeah, peeps, I love the design of this. A couple of things to note though. There's fears of longevity in terms of discoloration. I have no idea how that's going to work out. And the clips, I'm not sure how robust they are compared to the OEM one. So a couple of things, but aside from that, it is flipping beautiful. Love it. Just look at it, guys. Like, just look at it. Like, I'm not even spinning it around right now, but just look at it. Even with this stupid styrofoam thing there, I mean, it's pretty. And look how the light is like diffused around the transparent thing. Yeah, guys, this is the one for me. I'll leave a link to it yet again. Check it out. But the look overall, what do you think? Should Sony pursue something like this for their later custom panel designs? They don't even have a transparent design for their regular PS5 plate. So yeah, but I'm digging this. I'm loving this. I'm loving this for sure. So thanks for tuning in, peeps. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you guys in the next one. Peace out and take care.